Chapter 4 Introduction to Scratch. Lesson Objective: Explain the concept of the program and programming. Work on Scratch interface. Handle basic commands. Develop logical thinking. Scratch, a simple language. A program is a sequence of instructions given to a computer. The language used to write these instructions is called a programming language. Scratch is a free visual programming language. Scratch is an activity which you can use to give instructions that the computer understands. In Scratch, a program is saved as a project. Starting Scratch. To start the Scratch, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All apps. A list of all programs will open. Step 3. Select Scratch and press Enter. Scratch window will open. Main components of Scratch. Title bar. It displays the name of the saved project. It also contains minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Menu bar. It is normally found below the title bar. It has various menus like File, Edit, Share, and Help. You can use these menus to give commands to the Scratch software. Block palette. It is a place where different types of instructions are grouped together into blocks. Script area. It is a place where you write stepwise instructions for Sprite to do a particular task. Stage. It is a place where you see your stories, games, animations, music, and art in action. Presentation mode. It is used when you want to present your project on full screen. Click Exit Presentation to exit presentation mode. View mode. It is used to switch between full stage view and small stage view. Green flag. It is the way to run the script. Stop sign. It is used to stop all the scripts. Sprite. It is an object which performs functions controlled by scripts. Block palette. There are 8 categories of blocks in the block palette. These are the instructions that the computer understands. There are many ways to make the sprite move and turn. Motion controls the movement of the sprites up, down, left, right, rotation, etc. Control allows user to specify things, start or stop. Looks affects the appearance of your sprite, such as color and costume. Motion controls to sense if your sprite is touching edge. Sound controls sound, pitches to volume. Pen allows the user to draw lines and objects on the stage. Variables create variables to hold numbers or text. Motion block. Motion block has instructions to make the sprite move, such as number of steps to take in the direction of motion, etc. Motion block description. Move 10 steps. Move sprite forward by 10 steps. Move 10 steps. Move sprite backward by 10 steps. Turn 15 degrees. Rotate sprite clockwise by 15 degrees. Turn 15 degrees. Rotate sprite anti-clockwise by 15 degrees. Moving forward. Create a Scratch program to move the cat sprite 150 steps forward. Step 1. Click File menu. A drop-down menu will appear. Select New from here and click. Step 2. Select the motion block. Step 3. Drag and drop the move block into 10 steps into the sprite area. Step 4. Click on the number area and type 150 in it. Step 5. To run the script, double-click on the block. Watch the movement of cat sprite on the stage. Pen block. Just see the pen block. All the pen-related instructions are grouped together here. Pen block has instructions to provide the trail of the sprite, to change the color of the trail, etc. Motion block. Description: clear, clears all pen marks on the screen. Pen down, puts the pen down and draws lines while moving. Pen up, lifts the pen up and does not draw lines while moving. Set pen color to, sets the color of the pen. Change pen color by 10, changes the pen color by a certain value. Change pen shade by 10, changes the shade of the color by a chosen value. Set pen shade to 50, sets the shade of the color to a chosen value. Change pen size by 1, changes the size of the pen by a chosen number. Set pen size to 1, sets the size of the pen to a chosen number. Stamp draws a copy of the sprite on the stage. Drawing a blue color line. Step 1. Click File menu. A drop-down menu will appear. Select New from here and click. Step 2. Select the pen block. Step 3. Drag and drop the pen down block into the scripts area. Step 4. Drag and drop the set pen color into the scripts area and click on the color picker to choose the blue color. Step 5. Select the motion block. Step 6. Drag and drop into the scripts area. Click on the number area and type 100 on it. Step 7. To run the script, double-click on the block. Watch cat sprite drawing a blue color line. Facts.com. You can remove a sprite by right-clicking on a sprite on the stage and selecting the delete option from the list. Saving a Scratch program. The Scratch program is saved as a project. To save the project, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Click on Save option. A Save Project dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the project name in the New File name box. Step 4. Click OK button. Exiting the Scratch. Follow these steps to close or exit Scratch. Step 1. Click File menu. Click on Quit option. To write the Scratch program, 1. We have to drag the instructions blocks such as motion and sound from the blocks palette area and drop them into the scripts area. 2. These blocks are pasted one after the other to create the script. The blocks should fit into each other as jigsaw puzzle blocks. 3. When you double-click on a script, Scratch runs the program. It carries out the instructions in the blocks one by one from the top to the bottom of the script. We can change the number of steps the sprite moves by clicking inside the number area and typing the new number. We can also change the direction by clicking on the arrow and selecting direction. There are several sprites that are already available. You can use these or you can even draw your own sprite and use it. Key points. A program is a sequence of instructions given to a computer. The language used to write instructions is called programming language. Scratch is an activity which you can use to give instructions that the computer understands. Title bar displays the name of the saved project. Menu bar is found below the title bar. Block palette is the place where different types of instructions are grouped together into blocks. Pen block has instructions to provide the trail of the sprite, to change the color of the trail, etc.